Good evening! What happens when you take learning out of the classroom and into the real world? In tonight's special report, we spotlight an inspiring educational methodology that is transforming how students across Europe learn, create, and imagine the future. The STEAM Learning Ecologies project. Launched in 2023, this innovative initiative has reached thousands of young people, inviting them on a hands-on journey that goes far beyond traditional classrooms. Students of all ages, dedicated teachers, scientists, engineers, designers, and community partners have united in this adventure. Museums, libraries, universities, and research institutes opened their doors as dynamic spaces for non-formal and informal learning, turning STEAM education into a hands-on, real-world experience. From Cyprus to Sweden, from Ireland to Turkey, 16 countries joined this innovative and creative journey that successfully reached and inspired curious young minds throughout the continent. Each STEAM learning ecology was unique, tackling real-life challenges across a diverse range of topics, from environmental sustainability, marine conservation, and biodiversity preservation to innovative technology. From design and entrepreneurship to cultural heritage preservation, from health and well-being to AI and digital innovation. With its practical approach, students were empowered to think critically, creatively, and collaboratively. They developed AI solutions, built smart devices, designed sustainable cities, collected and analyzed data, created films and podcasts, and engaged with emerging technologies such as 3D printing, robotics, game design, and bioprinting. Students also visited universities, research centers, companies, and museums, collaborated with scientists, artists, entrepreneurs, and local communities, becoming active innovators and change-makers, and connecting their learning to local challenges and global goals.
As a teacher, witnessing children transform from reluctant or indifferent learners into enthusiastic, engaged, and independent thinkers is incredibly rewarding.
My daughter constantly comes up with fresh and diverse ideas. This project inspired her greatly because her ideas were valued.
It's incredible to see how much creativity and passion these young students put into their projects. They are the innovators of tomorrow.
It was truly fascinating to explore the variety of career opportunities in STEAM. I was especially impressed by our visit to the research laboratories and inspired by talking to STEAM professionals.
After 3 years, the project is coming to an end, but the STEAM Learning Ecologies journey will continue in the schools that embrace this approach for its potential to inspire young minds, together with the companies, the NGOs, the museums and libraries who witness the impact of their contribution and are eager to do more. If you are also interested in embarking on this journey, head out to our website and discover all the support materials we created. Because everyone, in Europe and beyond, can bring long-lasting change to their communities with STEAM Learning Ecologies.